morning students. I hope everyone is fine and studying well. Today we are going to study in English second. Lesson number 8. The lesson name is The Recycling Rap. This is written by the poet John Foster, one who was born in 1941. He was before as a teacher, he was working as a teacher, and also he is a children's poet. He has written the poem especially for children's. He is from United Kingdom or England. He has also written 12 books of poetry for children, especially 12 poem books he has written for children's. And he likes to, whenever he visits any school, he likes to sing those poems by himself in the schools. Okay, in this poem, the poet is explaining that what do you do with the empty bottles, old newspapers or wrappers or packing materials. As you are using water bottle, no? So empty bottles, suppose that is becoming old, that time what do you do? Just you throw somewhere, right? In the dustbin or somewhere. Then old newspaper, what do you do? Sometime what we do? We just throw outside. Then wrapper, suppose you are buying something, okay, on which cover is there, cover is used there. So wrapper just we are taking out and throwing in the dustbin or somewhere, or any packing materials. After using them, just we are throwing outside. Okay. Many people are not keeping those things or throwing those things in the right place. So the poet John Foster is explaining here that we don't have to throw, we should not throw those things here and there, but we should try to throw those things in the proper place. So about that this poem is here. Just I will read and try to explain to you. So please try to listen carefully. That poet is telling that, listen to me children, what I am explaining to all of you, that we have to start recycling. We have to start recycling the old things so that they become new. Like old water bottles is there, then old newspapers are there, old wrappers are there, everything, packing materials, we have to keep those things in the proper place so that they can be. So we have to throw those things in the dustbin or in the proper place so that those things, people, those who are in charge of those things, so they will take those things or send those things in the factory or in the proper place where those things can be recycled or those things can be made new. As your parents or many of the parents or people are buying newspaper. Every day newspaper they are buying to read the news about our state and country and about different countries. Okay. Then new bottles many people are buying. When the old bottle is becoming old, then new bottle and or new things people are buying. Okay. So the poet of this poem is telling, John Foster is telling that we don't have to keep on thinking to decide about these things, anything, where we should throw the old things or anything, but we have to take decision soon that we have to throw these things or keep those things in the proper place from where the people, those who are in charge of these things, they can send these old materials to be recycled. Okay. We have to start recycling very soon. Start today itself. Like that this poet is telling. By saving old newspapers, not throwing them away, don't just take them and dump them onto the tip. Tip means garbage dump. We don't have to throw in the dustbin just simply, but we have to tell the people to send those things in the right place. We have to make bundle and help the people, those who are in charge of that, to send those things in the right place to be recycled, to be made new. So get collecting keep on collecting and protecting the futures up to you. Future generation will have a good environment, clean environment because of our efforts. So save all your old bottles, old glass bottles or jam or tin, and we have to send those things in the bottle bank, and then from there those things will be sent to factory. The glass can be recycled, saving energy. So like this the poet is explaining in every stanza of the poem to save the planet, to recycle the old things, to help the people to recycle the old things, to save this planet for future generations, so that our environment and our earth should be clean, a clean place to live. So the poet John Foster is explaining again and again that we don't have to stop, we don't have to keep on thinking only, we don't have to waste time. We should try to start doing these things very soon, so that we can have good place to live on this planet earth. So I hope you understood this poem, and when you will read also you will understand more in more better way. Okay, thank you.